Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look out at Medford. Tonight we got a few passing high clouds, but temperatures are cooling off at 73 degrees. We'll get down into the 50s tonight in Medford. It's not going to be as cool as last night was. We dipped down even to the upper 30s in the basin, but we're talking mid 40s for tonight. You can see some of these high clouds drifting on through, especially east of the Cascades. The marine layer will return to much of the coastline tonight, down to 50 in Brookings, 47 degrees in Klamath Falls. We'll drop to 50 in Mount Shasta and 57 degrees in Medford. Tomorrow on your Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, still quite warm. Not as warm as today though. We'll get up to about 87 in Medford, 88 in Wairika, and up to 83 degrees in Klamath Falls. You'll notice some breezier conditions developing for tomorrow afternoon into the evening. Pretty widespread gusts, anywhere between 20 to 30 miles per hour. So still pretty breezy tomorrow evening if you're heading to the Rogues game. 84 degrees at first pitch at 6:35, and we'll be down to about 74 degrees by 9. Here's a look at stormcasts. Some mostly sunny conditions. It's going to stay mainly dry for the region as we go through the rest of the week. Some low clouds will be possible into parts of Jackson and Josephine County Thursday morning. That will clear out along with marine clouds along the coast. Otherwise, ample sunshine Thursday afternoon with seasonal temperatures and more breezy conditions for inland areas Thursday and Friday as well. In the Rogue Valley, highs will be staying steady in the middle 80s over the next few days. And then looking ahead into the weekend, notice up in the mountains, maybe planning a camping trip. Temperatures will be climbing into the mid 80s on Sunday, and that's going to mean some heat in our west side valleys. By Sunday, we're talking highs near 100 degrees in many of our west side valleys. But with the heat building this weekend, we're also going to be watching on the potential for some thunderstorms. Isolated storms possible, mainly down in Siskiyou County and over on the east side as we head into this weekend. Take a closer look at that weekend forecast. Lots of sun on Saturday. It does heat up, 92 in Medford, up to 91 in Wairika and 88 in Klamath Falls, but even hotter weather on Sunday. And we'll be watching places like Wairika, Klamath Falls. We could see a stray thunderstorm pop up Sunday afternoon, but it does look like some better thunderstorm chances, maybe a little bit more widespread coverage of storms as well, including into the Rogue Valley, will be as we head into Monday. So we'll be watching thunderstorm potential very closely as we head towards late in the weekend and especially into early next week. Taking a look at the forecast for the coast, less of a marine layer influence into the weekend. Winds will pick up. Highs will be in the 70s with lots of sunshine. Northern California, breezy the next few days. Still quite warm though with highs well into the 80s. We heat up much further this weekend. Slight chances for thunderstorms on Sunday. We'll also have that potential in the basin. Some more thunderstorm concerns into early next week. And those highs still getting up into the 90s. We got some heat on the way as we go through the weekend. Up in the mountains, breezy, mostly sunny over the next few days. We warm things up this weekend. Thunderstorm potential early next week, and then in the Rogue Valley, fairly seasonal to wrap up this work week. We do heat up for the final weekend of June, and then even a slight chance of a thunderstorm to watch for Monday.